The home of tricks. Updates me no be a drop here. I'm checking it out. Baako ebe boya me yenye free tokens on 29th of July. Ena baako so promise bi a omode maaye ena oma forfele. Omo ka kire say omo deploy omo tokens no S24 e de akọ BNB on 22nd of July. Omo deploy BB and to hwe ya wase EFS officially landed on BNB chain, entering a new era of encryption. Unim project aye kan ho asem na this particular project make say ni dwumadie ni enye dren o de ane say wo be register unim kwanya betumi afa so register my video about it major sa link no description section wa wo betumi afollow wo ba ya everyday bi abo menu no so anu abo personal center no so wo be hu sign e wa ha no abo so nti wo ba baka wo be hu say e be ba sign successful no wasa abo menu no so biem na wabo sport account no nti wo refresh pe wo be hu say tokens no e kona nim nti hwe we ya 84.7 nti me refresh ya na me sambo sport no so aba 84.8 na ese tokens no e kola nim kakra na omaye bibia similar to having, because first we new member na say register unya $12 but say no we new member na say register oba benya 2 tokens equivalent to $6. New user register and receive 2 EFS tokens na say unya register we new user ubenya $6 first na $12 o mate so nti unya join ya enkachi ubetumi a join. Now one very important update we am pese checking out and remember some free people tokens on 29th of July. And a display our high say no or say people airdrop is about to start. Airdrop time July 29th, time no 2 o'clock. Airdrop token at the people and how to participate. First one or see follow S20 official Facebook until link we no me channel me Telegram channel or send a beya to me follow bibia kama. On the day of the airdrop, that is July 29th, the official Facebook will publish an airdrop post. Into some more post to penny obey and yes our third one no. Users need to like and share the post and fill in their own S20 UID in the comment area. UID nene dia wahe. Se oba project no mu a options na wa say no ne menu no be boso. Oboso na say do obo ya no abo personal center no so. Nti edo ba ha say na ubehu UID no ene wo etire na se no UID no na ewo honom no wabo copy icon no so na wo de akọ omo Facebook page no mu na senia o kire no wa like uwia na wa share uwia na wa fele with sa UID na copy no e wo comment section area honom as simple as ABCD se ne be ya omo distribute tokens na also on sabe count there umpewe na apede ben. Nti I think say we dey enche dan yedin a small update we are by also checking it out now share so on 29th now suit me enjoy efrimu more updates be drop it na say na busy kakra and nti updates no a slow down no and now you new member now subscribe we are now subscriber turn the bell notification on now they are to all say na be ya drop our sabeka how you tech the home of tricks.